Hamba kwamajita like Abu Mbokazi and Utsigo. It was a bit too emotional for Tinavanye because sevenze naye kakhulu. He was a friend, he was a brother, like mom leader, like in terms of advice and in terms of how to improve the game yakho, like ebebasiza nabafana abancane. He was part of the senior guys, and I think Olisanda, I forgot to Olisanda. It's one of the guys na ngimthole lana. Welcome kahle ethi ngifika la, and it was a bit emotional to lose those players, but I wish them the best ukuthi ba achieve yonke into abayifunayo, and hopefully uThixo angabuya because it's a long news, and hopefully angabuya azosiza futhi team ukuthi achieve more goals.